Today 27th of November 2023, guys, we had amazing trades, especially all the yen pair bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how we manage amazing profit on dollar yen. If you look at the 4-hour chart, guys, that's the pretty straightforward as mentioned to my trader. Market was around this level. You can see here market rejected many times, so possibility of this breakout we had it this morning, and afterwards, as explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. The target is around this level. Let's see, guys, if the market is going to hit. But we already managed amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how we did. If you look at the intraday, pretty straightforward this morning at the market open. As explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you have seen in 4-hour market, nicely broken and retest. Give us the confirmation. We have another pullback announced and beautiful as soon as the market hit to the profit target. That's what explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. Still, most of the traders are still holding short. If I show you the live chart of the dollar yen, as you can see here, the market beautiful. You can see here the market still going coming down here. Second target is hitting. We have another beautiful pullback short is performed. All right, guys, if you want to see those analyses in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day, guys.